The function f of x equals 4 minus 4x. Find f of 2 minus f of negative 5. And then we'll come up with a nice round number, we feel like, an integer value of some sort there, all right? So when we look at this problem, first of all, there's just a few things we got to understand. What is this f of x about, all right? It means a function of x, all right? The f is short for function. We could have put any letter we wanted up there, but we've got an f kind of working for function of f, a function of x. We'll get it out there. And there's the x that we're worrying about right there. So I'm going to bring it right down here a little bit here. Let's put it right here. F of x equals 4 minus the 4x. And what we want to do is figure out what is the value when x becomes a 2. All right? That's what f of 2 means. All right? So we're going to take everywhere we see this x. See, folks, there it goes. I'm going to put a 2 right there. All right? And we're going to have 4 minus 4 times 2. And that's going to give us a value here in just a second, all right? Now, let's go back to my dear Aunt Sally. Yeah, we got to go back to my dear Aunt Sally. We almost do every day, don't we? But it's so essential. It's so critical. It's so important. Because we multiply first, then we'll subtract that or add or whatever we need to do, all right? Let's multiply first. A negative 4 times 2 is going to give me negative 8. I'm going to add that to 4. Or I can look at it being 4 times 2, and we're going to subtract it from 4. Either way we look at it, we have 4 minus 8, which gives me a negative 4. That's half the problem right there. That's the f of 2. Now, let's go back and figure out what is this f of negative 5. Same function. Same function. We leave that 4 alone. We leave this 4 alone, but we put a minus 5 or a negative 5 right there in the slot. We're going to multiply. We're going to multiply those together. And that is going to give us a positive 20. Positive 20. So here we go. 4 plus 20, which gives us 24. Another answer. You say, are we done? Well, we've got to do one more thing. We've got to do the final subtraction, all right? So we found f of 2. We found this great old f of negative 5. We're going to subtract the results, all right? Now, you say, wait a minute, Ernie, what have we got? We got a negative 4. That's our f of 2. We're going to subtract 24. Folks, that's just like adding a negative 24 to a negative 4. The signs are the same. Our final value here looks to be, wow, negative 28. Negative 28. So there's your final answer to the problem of the day today. Great thing using our functions, f of x, f of 2, and our f of negative 5, and putting it all together, wrapping it up in a nice pretty bow.
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.